In this video of Technoholic, I'm going to talk about a very important feature which should be a breeze nowadays. I'm talking about voice typing functionality inside Microsoft Word. And let me actually quickly open it. Alright, so now here we have opened Microsoft Word blank document. And if you are a user of Microsoft Office 365, you're gonna get a voice typing integrated, even if you are using free version. But worry not guys, I'm gonna also let you know a hack how even you are not using, let's say, Office 365, you are using 2024 or 2021 or even let's say 2013 or 2016, you still can enable it. So before talking about that step, let's talk about in case of Office 365. Alright, so you need to be in your home tab and then here you're gonna see dictate function. So simply click on it, and as soon as you hit dictate, here you can see the dictate function have started working, and seems like the script here is Devanagari. So that's why I'm seeing the entire content is written in English but in Devanagari script. So we can actually go here in dictation setting, and here I can change the language to English. So that's again I would say is great to see, because here not only you can speak in English but you can also speak in so many other languages, and still I would say Word is able to recognize. And it became even more interesting and important when, let's say, you want to type something in Hindi and you do not have Hindi keyboard, but you are still able to type anything in Hindi. Now, another great thing about this built-in voice dictation function is that you do not need to worry about if I click here and there, will it still work or not. So let me click here. You can see it is working as expected, and then we can create or type in much faster way than in actual typing. Alright, so that was kind of, I would say, good example like how we can use this capability. And then from here, the second option is to select microphone. So from here I can select my microphone, and then I can also see preview if it is working or not. And that's how we do setting in case of Office 365. Now let's talk about another method, which I would say is utilizing the built-in voice typing of Windows. Alright, so for that, what we need to do, we need to click here on Windows button, then go to settings, and now here in settings, look for voice typing, and there you go. So we are now here in voice typing, which is inside accessibility and then speech. So let me actually look for speech, and here we have the voice typing option. So if you want to start voice typing, here we can see it have a shortcut of Windows plus H. But before we do that, again, let me show you what are the prerequisite or the setting that you should do before you start. So let me type here mic and then click on sound setting. Then if you go down here, you can see you have multiple inputs. So from here, I need to select the correct microphone. So in my case, this is the correct microphone. And I also can see the preview of what I am saying. So setting wise, I think everything is all right. Now I can close it. Now, as we saw in case of voice typing by Windows, all we need to do is we need to press Windows and H. Now, as soon as you press Windows and H, you're going to see now there is a voice typing, but this is more of floating style, and then it is not integrated here. I would say it almost work in a same way as the built-in Microsoft Word voice typing does, but I think it have got some of con. And the biggest one is, let's say, whenever I'm gonna make a click on my screen. So let's say I wanted to go to the next line, and as soon as I hit enter, here you can see it got automatically disconnected. So every time whenever you are doing these kind of thing, you need to click on it, and then that's how you start typing it again. Both voice typing, whether the integrated one or this Windows plus H one, they come up with their own shortcuts. For example, they understand when somebody say new line, next line. Alright, so that's not new line, that's next line. And then they also understand full stop, delete all. Alright, so delete all is not recognizable, but delete that is recognizable. Delete that. See? So in this way, guys, you can also utilize some of these voice commands. And if you want to see the entire list of voice command, then I'm gonna attach the link in the description of this video. So that's how, guys, you can utilize the power of voice typing and can type your or work on your Word document 10x, I guess 10x faster using voice typing functionality. Hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such productivity videos, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.